It's a new 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo i6 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo V8 engine. Chevy, 100 years of icons. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.